And that's recording. All right, so they're both recording. Let's put it up. There you go.
Home point updated.
Everything is recording. Everything is good. I'm 5 feet off the ground. Let's go. 15 feet, 16 feet. That's good. All right. And let's go. Turn it that way. Let's go downstream. All right, let me put it on tripod mode. Normal. Tripod. That way it can go slow. Let's go a little higher. Ah, let's go see the geese. Wow, it's going up. It's going up by itself. Why is it going up? Wow, that's weird. That was weird. It was going up by itself. I see you, cutie pies. All right, let's go see down there. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's just a beautiful morning. It sees the rock, so it goes up. Ain't that some shit? It sees the rock, so it starts to go up. Look at that shit. What the hell's going on? Wow, that's some shit. Wow, amazing. Morning, Pete. There you go. Awesome. I gotta make sure. Beautiful. I'm 16, 17 feet off the water, guys. Let me go up to 20. 21 feet. That beautiful, guys? That's beautiful. I'm 20 feet off the water. Beautiful. You lost your wallet. Oh my God. Beautiful. Is that beautiful, guys? Nice place and peaceful place to go fishing. Awesome. 18 feet off the ground. 17 feet off the ground. I should be seeing it coming soon. I see it. I see it. It's gonna go right by me. Hey guys, how are you? Hello. Whoa, almost fell. Almost fell. Let's go to the waterfall. So for that to happen, we're gonna have to go up. We're gonna have to go up. We're gonna have to go up, at least 200 feet. It's a ways down, and I gotta watch that wire. We're hitting 105 feet. Let's go a little higher. 140 feet. Now let's go a little higher. Wow. That's pretty high. All right. Let's go higher. I don't trust it. I don't trust the wires. Let's go 200, 198, 198 feet. Let's put it on normal so we can pick up some speed. Now we're at 23 miles an hour, 24. Man, let me go higher, man. Something's telling me to go higher. Yeah, 250. 270. 270 is good. Please, I hope there's no wires. No, there ain't no wires that high. 270 feet, yeah. There's no wires that high. It is a nice place for fishing. Look at that. Let me see something. If I put it on Pro, and then, hold on, I want to see something, guys. No. Nope, let me take it off Pro. Back on Auto. We just saw a carp. If you go back 7 minutes, 8 minutes in the video, you're gonna see a big ass carp in the water. But there's a lot of fish here, different kind of fish. There's the waterfall. There's the waterfall. Let me move over here without falling. Let me go a little higher. There you go. I'm at 347 feet. 347 feet. Let's go 370, 381. Remember, it can't go over 400. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that waterfall is. Then on this side, it's like this is like a dam. There was a dam on that side. See it over there up top? That's the dam. It's not working no more. But I did a video down there before, guys. I flew my drone down there before. Maybe next time I'll go down there, but yeah, pretty cool, right? Awesome. Let's start heading back. Beautiful, right, guys? I'm talking to the guys. Guys, I know you can't see it on the live. I get all that. But I'm talking to the upload. This is an upload. I'm going to put an upload on of this footage. And I'm talking, and I'm going to put the audio with the footage. That's why I keep saying beautiful view, right, guys? So the people that watches the upload, I'm 381 feet in the air. And I'm going to come right above me at 381 so you can see how high it is. And I'm going to start bringing it down. Hold on 1 second. Then I'm going to start bringing it down. So right now I'm 2,600 feet away. 2,560 feet away from my location where I'm at. I can hit return to home and it'll automatically come and land where it took off. But I want to do it manually. I'm still 381 feet in the air. 381 in the air, 2,000 feet away. So I'm going to be on this side. No, I'm going to be on, yeah, I'm going to be on this side. 1,600 feet away. 1,500. 1,400 feet away. 13, I'm doing 27 miles an hour. 1,100 feet away. 1,000 feet away. 900 feet away, 800 feet away, 600, 300 feet away, 200 feet away. I should be able to start to see it in the sky. Not yet. Am I straight down? All right, let me go. I'm gonna start right here. Okay. Where am I at? Right there. Come down. Come on. There we go. Hey, guy. All right. Come land in my hand. Come forward a little bit. All right, come down. Come down, come down, come down, come down, 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 down. There we go. Woo!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming